Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how what I use to lose my belly fat. So this is ginger. I blended the ginger, and ginger has so many good properties. It has the anti-inflammatory property, and also it is known for naturally boosting breast milk production. So if you are breastfeeding and you're seeing this video, don't be worried about that. The next item is lemon. Daily intake of lemon while breastfeeding is also really safe and good because it keeps you hydrated and also helps in the supply of healthy breast milk for your baby. And the ginger also have a digestive property, so it helps in digestion, and also it has a filling property. Filling property means it keeps you filled up for the whole day, depending, which will regulate the amount of food you take. So we are going to put this on fire now. So for this drink, I usually use 2 spoons of the blended ginger. I prefer to blend my ginger, that makes it so easy, and you have all the juice from the ginger in your drink. So, and I use this jar. That's the amount of water I can consume. So make sure you use the amount of water you can consume in order not to waste your ginger, and leave it to boil for 5 minutes. And 5 minutes over, it's time to filter it. So for this drink, I'm going to use just one lemon. One lemon is okay for it. So you juice it out. You make sure you juice the lemon properly, and you're good to go. So for better and good result, guys, make sure you take this drink as hot as it is. This way it works faster and it works like magic. I added a bit of coffee, which helps in the stimulation of breast milk supply and also save while breastfeeding. This works like magic, guys. So enjoy. Bye guys.